Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is from a company called Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And they always send a nice little card. Oops, turn this over. And they have all natural lip balms. And this is a small local company. New Jersey is a local state for me. It's one state over. I am in the state of Pennsylvania. And they are, like I said, they're a small company, family-owned company. And they offer a lot of 100% natural, organic, vegan or vegetarian products. And, you know, like the whole non-toxic, cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, cannot say that word, eco-friendly, sulfate-free, no animal testing, and recycled packaging. And they have a subscription service. And I went through Cratejoy to get this one, which that is a good option to go get some of your subscription boxes. Sometimes they have discounts and things like that. So for one lip balm a month, it's $2.33. You get 2 lip balms a month. It's $4.58 a month. And a mix of lip balms and lip conditioners is $8.33 a month. And it renews automatically, cancel any time. They ship worldwide from the U.S. And I think they have like 4.6 out of 5-star reviews on their website. So I've received, I think this is the second subscription that I've received from them. And I have gone ahead and canceled this subscription. It's a nice subscription and it's great for the price. I mean, I think for 2 of them, what did I say? It was $4.58. You really can't beat the price. But I'm not 100% happy with it. I mean, I do enjoy it. There's nothing wrong with it. I do, you know, how many of these could you possibly need? This one here is the medicinal hydrating balm. I don't know why this is not going to focus. There it is. I mean, they're full size, the same size as a chapstick. This has no, you know, no scent whatsoever. And then the second one is Mongongo lip conditioner, and this is mandarin, green, orange, and ginger. And let's see. I don't really know what, probably the green, orange. I don't really smell the ginger. Like I said, you know, they're full size. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this. If this is your thing, if you love, you know, a chapstick type product, a lip balm. I generally don't have chapped lips even in the wintertime. For that occasion that I do, I had 2 from previous and now I have these 2. You know, that would last me a whole season. So I did go ahead and cancel this subscription, and I'm looking to find another 1 or 2 to add for each month to change it up. I don't want to always do the same subscription boxes each month. That would get kind of boring. So, you know, if this is something that you're into or something you would like because of the cost, it's, you know, very cheap and definitely on a budget to get each month. It might be right for you. This just happened to be not a right fit for me, but the lip balms are great. They do what they say they're going to do. They feel nice on your lips and they do nourish. So like I said, I have no complaints about the company or the product. It's just not a great fit for me. So that is my video for today. And this is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And this is their monthly subscription for lip balms. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.